Hey everyone, welcome back. We are at Home Goods. We came to look around for some Christmas decor. I hope you guys enjoyed and let's go shopping. All right, look at this deer. It is only 100 bags. It's pretty big. I like it. I wish they had two of them. So pretty. La la, this is gorgeous. This is my local Home Goods / TJ Maxx. Oh my goodness, look at that deer, 30 bucks. That is beautiful. I seen this one in gold and it was really pretty. That's a cookie jar. There's cones. They're only $29.99. Okay, you guys, I like this right here. And I don't think it's that expensive. Let me check it out. This is only $12.99. That's a really good deal. And on the bottom is marble. Okay, so here is another deer for $16.99 and it matches with the one that we just saw down there. So let me put them together so you see the size, the different sizes. All right, so here we have them together. So gorgeous. If you're doing silver for Christmas, this would be perfect. So I was thinking of getting these stockings. I think they're really pretty. They have pearls and they're only $12.99. Last time they only had 3. So I'm gonna check it out and see if I can find more, if they restocked. Because we were here just a couple of days ago and I noticed that the 3 that I put back are still here. This is a really cute nutcracker. It's only $300 and I want to say it's probably 7 feet tall. Pretty cool. You don't see this often. Oh, there's more reindeers. Wow, so gorgeous. Look at those trees. Let me know in the comments down below, what theme are you using? What colors are you using this year for Christmas? I would love to know. This is not Christmas related, but wow, this is a really nice piece of furniture. It's only $299. Wow, this is a gorgeous pillow. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then also I have this pillow at home in gray. And I believe the price for this is $30. Super pretty. All right, over there we have a wall full of Christmas stuff. So we're gonna go check it out. Okay, so where do we start? Let's go to this corner and work our way all the way down. So earlier I was at a different Home Goods and I got a few items that are from this brand right here, which all of the garlands and wreaths, they look so real. They're kind of pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it's totally worth it. I'm gonna be using it for a couple of years down the road. And yeah, so I'm excited. I cannot wait to put it in my home and see how I'm gonna style it.
Feels soft.
It feels real, right?
Yeah.
I love it. And the price for this is only $40, but it feels so real. They have more pillows. They're so pretty. They kind of match with, oh my god, they have tons of them. And they are only, let me see the price, 24. They are only $24.99. This is so pretty. Oh, this is such a beautiful pillow. They have a lot of Christmas pillows today. Maybe because I'm not looking for them. You know, when you look for something, you cannot find it. And when you're not looking, it's all over the place. So that's the case today. A lot of beautiful Christmas decor pillows. So many red pillows. Most of them are velvet. And I think they're really pretty. I think they have a lot of variety here at this Home Goods, because I was at another Home Goods in the morning and I did not see that many pillows like I do here. Oh, that's really nice. I need a black pillow. I'm doing a lot of blacks. Wow, this is a gorgeous ornament that I would love to buy, but I know my kids would destroy, so I need to walk away. But they are so delicate and they are glass ornaments, so definitely not a good idea for my home. But if you can have ornaments like this, definitely look for them at your local Home Goods. I'm actually digging these gloves right here. They had them last time in white and I think also in gold. Similar to this is more like a bronze. And they're only $12.99. They come in multiple sizes. So pretty. Okay, I'm loving all these vibes right here. The color, the wood, the everything. It makes you want to make a cheese board. So pretty. And look at those little utensils, the knives. So cute. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us. Look at that line, by the way. We're gonna have to go pay the things that we're gonna buy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments down below if you found something that you might go on a hunt for. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on our next one.